I drink coffee every morning. I eat lunch at noon every day. I go to bed at 10 o'clock every night. These are all examples of the present simple tense. But what is present simple tense? Let's go and find out. Welcome to the classroom. Let's talk a little bit about present simple tense. Present simple tense is used to make simple statements of fact, to talk about things that happen repeatedly, and to describe things that are always true. Let's look at some examples. To make the present simple of most verbs, use the base form of the verb. The base form is the infinitive without to. Many times, adverbs of frequency are used with the present simple tense. Let's look at more examples. I eat dinner at 7 p.m. every day. I start work at 9 a.m. So far, we saw present simple tense using just the form I. But what about other forms like you, we, they, he, she, and it? Let's take a look. Depending on the form, the verb changes. With I, you, we, and they, the base form of the verb is used. With he, she, and it, you add s to some of the base verbs. Here are some examples. We drink coffee every morning. She drinks tea every morning. We start work at 9 a.m. He starts work at 10 a.m. They eat dinner at 8 p.m. Aaron eats dinner at 7 p.m. Some verbs, es is added for he, she, and it. These endings are sh, ch, o, ss, x, and z. Let's look at some examples. I go to sleep. He goes to sleep. I finish work. He finishes work. I watch TV. She watches TV. I pass the ball. He passes the ball. I fix the light. She fixes the light. Their phones buzz all the time. Her phone buzzes all the time. Great job! We just have a few more things to cover. I am hurt. Well, let's move on to the to-be verb forms. To be is a very important verb with an irregular present simple form. When the subject changes, the to be verb form sometimes changes too. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Let's see some examples. I am a teacher. We are teachers. She is 25 years old. They are late for work. He's Australian. Contractions can also be used. Joe's 35 years old. I have a bike. She has a bike. Have is an irregular verb. Have changes to has in the third person singular form. Let's look at how to form have in the present simple form. I, you, we, and they use the verb have. He, she, and it, the verb changes to has. Let's finish up with some examples. I have a bike. You have a bike. We have a rabbit. They have a baby. It has a new collar. He has a fever. Joe has a new car. Chica has tea every morning. That was kind of a long lesson. Just remember that present tense is used to make a simple statement of fact, to describe things that are true, and to talk about things that happen repeatedly. Try practicing making present simple tense sentences. See you next time. It has my coffee.